So let's go through these seat controls really quickly because this is a lot different from anything I'm used to. So you have a massage function, you still have lumbar support. Now you can actually control the bolstering on the top of the seat. And there's also a shoulder control too. So I'm going to show you the buttons here. So you have a toggle, you have a lever that goes clockwise or counterclockwise, and you also have a button on the side of the seat. Now it's on both sides, so you have one also for the passenger, and this is going to be able to be controlled the same way. So I'm going to push the arrow on the toggle left or towards the front of the truck, okay? So you're going to get this menu here. So as I mentioned, you have upper shoulder. Now I'm going to use the lever and I'm going to go basically counterclockwise. So you have lumbar control here, you have the back bolster, and then here is your massage function. And here are some of the controls here. Sorry that my camera is not wanting to focus here, but there it is right there. So let's go back. So here's your massage function. So you have roll, knead, wave, and you can change basically the amount of like pressure that is giving you. But yeah, there are all the functions there. So let's keep going. So for your back bolster, so now you can control the bolstering, so you can make this a lot tighter around you. And you can control your lumbar support, so you can use the arrows to go up and down with it and push it out to get yourself more lumbar for your back, okay? And keep on moving. You also have the shoulder, as I mentioned, so you can push the shoulder out and you can kind of feel it pushing out a little bit more. So that's how you use the controls on the side of the seat. And if you want to turn the massage function on or off, you can do that by just pushing that button. So hopefully this is helpful. I had a hard time in the past figuring out how to use it, so hopefully this is helpful for you guys.